That was so ugly.
What up guys, Eric here from Racing Ram Fam, and I'm back after 2-3 weeks, but this is the reason why I've been gone. The new shop, check it out. It's a 24 foot by 48 foot shop, heated, insulated, and yeah. And then if you notice this giant black thing laying on the ground right here, we got Betsy a new plow. So that'll be the first thing we'll be doing in the shop is actually installing the plow into Betsy. But first, we got a ton of my fabrication tools, air compressor, and a bunch of other stuff that we've hauled from my other garage to my shop, and we are going to unload these guys and start putting them places and see what it looks like. But I'm extremely excited to start working on the plow. I'm extremely excited to be in the shop. I just bought a house, a remodeling video is already up, or I'm gonna be posting it up. Me actually remodeling some parts of my house. Watch out, girl. You know she doesn't care. Yeah. Hopefully I can do it before and after what it looks like, because it is straight out of the 60s with pink shade carpeting. Well, it's not anymore, but it was. But yeah guys, we're gonna get straight into unloading the truck and start placing stuff places. And yeah, I'm extremely excited for the shop. It's gonna be a lot of things. This is my first house I've ever bought. It is also on an acre of land. We have another single car garage in the back. We have another single car garage attached to the house. And then we have this giant heated shop. We got a new cherry picker. We got a bunch of new tools. I got a lawnmower now. And yeah, Racing Ram Fam's expanding. So I'm pretty excited. This plow is huge. Yeah, this is on the front of this truck. This thing's huge. Sorry about the heater noise. It is cold in here, so we'll turn the heater on, which will get it nice and toasty here in a little bit. But that is the noise you are hearing in the background. Alright, first tool we got.
Okay.
Into the new tool. My new vise. This thing's huge. You know how much these things are? These are like a whole built-in vise.
Oh. I was like, what is that?
The vise.
Now I know.
Sweet. It's also heavy as hell. Alright guys, we got all the stuff unloaded, and it actually is starting to look like a shop with my little bits of tools that hogged up like 90% of my shop, and now don't hog up like any of the shop. So we got that stuff, we got the welders all undone, the bottles out, everything hooked up. I'm still debating what benches and cabinets I am going to keep in the shop so far. A lot more needs to go back into the single car in the back. Air compressor. Ow. Yeah. You okay? You okay? Ow. That had to hurt. Just booped her head on that. But the shop is plumbed for air. That's what all these copper pipes are along the walls. And go up there and across and over and down and over there. But yeah, so the shop is plumbed and ready to go for air. So the air compressor will be hooked up very soon to that. I have to get another little air hose for that. But yeah, guys, I hope you like the shop. It's pretty sweet. I'm very excited. You can fit probably a lot of cars in here. How many Betsy's do you think would fit in here?
3, 4.
Yeah, probably a lot. I mean, if you put them side by side, you could probably get
4.
a good amount in here. Because there's a lot of room on this side still. You could probably get 3 wide. Uh-huh, look how much room's on this side. I could sneak another Betsy right there.
Yeah, that's 2.
That'd be close. If it were stock Betsy's, they would fit in there. And yeah, guys, I hope you like the new shop. So lots more videos to come. Sorry about the leave of absence, or whatever you want to call it. Sorry I didn't post that much. I have been busy remodeling a house. Again, if I have posted that video, it'll be here. Otherwise, stay tuned for that video. Next video to come is we're going to get this gigantic Leo plow installed that I did get for Betsy for the front of it because my driveway is so big. And yeah, we are going to actually chop this guy down because this is a 12-foot wide plow and this is way too big actually. So we are going to cut it right probably here. I don't know. We got lots of videos. We have to build the mounts and stuff for Betsy, probably a new front bumper for it. So videos to come, more fabricating, all that fun jazz. But thank you guys for watching. As always, keep it boosted and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.